Sinopharm, one of several Chinese firms holding late-stage trials of a coronavirus vaccine, says it may have capacity to produce more than 1 billion doses next year. Lena Lim reports.
In a briefing on Tuesday, government officials said that China's use of experimental vaccines was backed by the World Health Organization and also went through layers of domestic regulatory approval. Since the launch of an emergency inoculation program in July, hundreds of thousands of people in China have been given experimental trial-stage vaccines. And officials say that people who have received the vaccines include frontline workers in healthcare and logistics, as well as people who urgently needed to leave China for work overseas. In addition, officials say about 60,000 people have received the vaccines in Phase 3 clinical trials, with no serious side effects reported so far. China currently has 4 vaccine candidates in Phase 3 trials. And as the spread of the coronavirus is under control within China, current trials are being conducted in 10 areas, including the United Arab Emirates, Paris, Peru, Argentina, and Egypt. And Sinopharm, a state-owned pharmaceutical firm, says it may have the capacity to produce more than 1 billion doses next year. Officials convened a briefing on Tuesday to provide more information on vaccine development, just days after Sinopharm launched an online reservation for people seeking COVID-19 vaccines in Beijing and Wuhan. State media Global Times reported that more than 150,000 people have made reservations for the experimental vaccine, and that students who will travel abroad are among the priority groups being offered the vaccine shot for free. Meanwhile, the BBC recently reported that hundreds of people have been seen queuing up outside the hospital in Yiwu in eastern China for experimental vaccines costing around $60 a shot. Lynette Lim, CNA, Shanghai.